Hello, math lovers. My name is Tim. Welcome to the Math Culture channel. We will be kicking off this channel with a little introduction to algebra. Algebra is an aspect of mathematics that serves as the building block for more advanced topics in mathematics like calculus. Just like arithmetic, algebra uses operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. However, it adds an exciting twist by using letters and alphabets to represent numbers. This unique approach makes solving math problems not only easier but also enjoyable. Word problems in algebra are a fun way to apply this knowledge and improve your ability to think in numbers. With consistent practice, a learner will find that their ability to think clearly and solve complex problems will improve significantly over time. Without taking any more time, let's jump right into solving some application problems. I should let you know, and you need to remember, that word problems are also known as application problems. As you can see on the screen, we are going to be solving this problem. It says the sum of two numbers is 12. The bigger number is 3 times the other. Find the numbers and what is the product of these numbers. I should let you know that one of the best ways to tackle math problems is to ensure that you first of all understand what the math problems is talking about. And one of the beauty of this channel is that it will help you to interpret word problems into actual representations so that it is easy for you to then solve the problem. So stay tuned to this channel as we will be learning and teaching more of these skills to help you improve your overall math skills. So it says the sum of two numbers is 12. So I'm going to say let the bigger number equals y, and let the smaller number equals x. So this is how we represent, and then we will now read again just to ensure that we are understanding what's going on. The question says the sum of the two numbers is equal to 12. And then it goes further to say that the bigger number is 3 times the other. So the bigger number, which is y, is equal to 3x. So just to make things easy for us to refer to as we go along solving the problem, we say x plus y, we represent it as equation 1, and y is equal to 3x, we represent it as equation 2. So now we have to solve these two algebraic equations just to get the value of x and then in turn get the value of y. To solve this problem, we can see here that y is directly equal to 3x. So these can be substituted into this so that we have only one of the terms in one equation. That way we can just add them up and then get to solve them. So from here we would say equation 2, equation 1 becomes remember, we're replacing y with 3x, so that would be x plus 3x is equal to 12. X plus 3x is 4x, and that's also equal to 12. So when we divide both sides by 4, this 4 takes care of this 4, and this 4 goes into 12 3 times. So that means our x is equal to 3. So now we know the value of x. So we also know that x is equal to 3, which is the smaller number. So we can now go to equation 1. right, to replace x with 3. So that would be 3 plus y would be equal to 12. So we can now say that y will be equal to 12 minus 3. And that's because we moved 3 over the sign, over the equal to sign, so it becomes a negative number. So 12 minus 3 will be equal to 9. So the bigger number is 3 times the other number. So if we can immediately see that y is 9 and x is equal to 3. So 9 is 3 times as big as x. So the numbers are 3 and 9. Now the other part of the question says, what is their product? So as we all know, product simply means multiplication, and that is equal to x times y. So that would be 3 times 9, and that's 27. So the numbers are 3 and 9, and their product is 27. So quickly, if you do not understand anything, please put in the comment and I can re-explain in coming tutorials. Let's go to example number 2. Just to make the concepts clearer, we will solve this other problem. And this other problem says Richard walks 60 kilometers in a day. If he walked x kilometers in the morning and walked 2 times as much for the rest of the day, what is the value of x? Remember, we were told that x is the number of kilometers that he walked in the morning, and we are asked to find the value of x. The other part of the question says, how long did he walk during the rest of the day? So let's go back to the question again, just to try to understand what the word problem is talking about. It says Richard walked 60 kilometers in a day, right? And it further tells us that Richard walked x kilometer in the morning, and then he walked 2 times as much for the rest of the day. So let's represent this in letters, as what we would normally do when we are solving algebra problems, right? So distance walked in the morning, and that is equal to x. Rest of the day, twice, and that will be 2x. So what that means is that Richard walked a total distance of x plus 2x throughout the day, and we are told that he walked a total distance of 60 kilometers. So that would be equal to 60, right? So x plus 3x is 3x, and that would be equal to 60. If we do a little math, a little arithmetic, and we divide both sides by 3, this 3 will take care of this 3, and x will then be equal to 20 kilometers. So that's the value of x. X is 20 kilometers. So now it's asking us, how long did Richard walk during the rest of the day? The rest of the day means that he walked 2 times, right? Like the question had already said to us, 2x. And that would be equal to 2 times 20. And that would be equal to 40 kilometers. So that means Richard walked 20 kilometers in the morning, and rest of the day is equal to 40 kilometers. I hope you guys have learned a thing or two from this tutorial, and I would like to give you guys an exercise to take home. This take home exercise is really very simple and similar to everything that we have been teaching. Like I said before, always remember that consistent practice is what will help you to improve your math skill. So I have a take home assignment for you. Just take some time to read and understand the problems. Inside this take home assignment is 3 different answers we'll be expecting you to provide. If for any reason you're unable to crack this problem, just put it in the comment section and I will be sure to solve the problem. That's about everything I have for you for today. Here's a reminder to you of the Math Culture's commitment to provide and upload a new math video every week at about 10 p.m. Eastern time. Please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so you'll be the first to know when we upload a new tutorial. Until then, keep learning, keep solving math, keep growing. Take care and see you soon.